Hey YouTube, my name's TJ, and today I want to show you how to install your WeatherTech No Dill MudFlaps. Today I'm going to be installing them on a 2019 Ford F-150. This will help protect our panels here from rock chips and other junk we might get this winter. Let's get going. Alright, some tools we may need. I've got a utility knife, I've got a ratcheting socket, 3/8. If you have a panel puller, that'll be helpful, and then a Phillips screwdriver. Next, take everything out of the box and out of the plastic and make sure you have all the parts and pieces. It's going to come with some protective strips to go underneath the mud flaps, and then your hardware to attach it. And it should be just 2 screws, 2 nuts. You get 2 washers and an Allen wrench, and then here, depending on what model vehicle you're putting your mud flaps on, it's going to have a little paint protector. Take a look at the instructions, read through there, and once you're comfortable with what you got to do, we'll head on to the next step. You're going to want to get your truck washed if it's excessively muddy or dirty. Otherwise, we're just going to clean off the area around the fender. You're going to want to turn your wheel all the way to the left if you're starting with the driver's side first. This will give us room to install the mud flap. Alright, so the next thing we got to do is clean up the surface here, get any of the bug guts, road tar, or any really the greasy stuff off of our fender here. To do this, I'm taking mineral spirits and I'm going to wipe the fender down to get all that grease and grime off of there. Next, I'm going to take denatured alcohol. You can also use just regular alcohol or isopropyl. We're going to wipe it down again so it fast dries and we have a nice clean surface. Alright, the next step is going to be to remove this plastic rivet. Now, your car should have that, your truck should have that on there. It looks like mine had mud flaps on it and the previous owner took them off before they sold them, but use the panel puller, or what you can do is take that utility knife and you're going to cut off the back side of that plastic rivet and then just push it out with the screwdriver. But either way, you want to make sure that now this hole here is free for hardware to go in there. Alright, next we're going to take our little protective strip here and we're going to put it on our fender flare. Alright, we've got the protective strip in place. Now we're going to take our mud flap and fit it into the fender flare here. Making sure that that hole at the bottom lines up with the rivet that we removed. And then take your Allen key and turn the locking mechanism here 90 degrees. Tighten it down. It's snug. The next thing we're going to do is going to take the bolt, the nut, and the washer, and we're going to put it through where the rivet was. Right. And then take your wrench screwdriver and tighten it all down. So that's it. The left hand side is installed. Looks pretty good, and we're just going to repeat the steps on the other side. So there you have it. This install went really easy. It was nice and quick. They look really good. I think they're really going to help protect us from those rock chips and then debris that we're going to get this winter. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.